Sagittarius, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your yearly forecast for the year 2022. I definitely would like to thank you for your support in this journey. Besides, I hope the new year brings in tremendous amount of happiness and good luck into your lives. Sagittarians, you're also aware that like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also going to use this oracle deck that I have here. We also have other cards lined up, so let's just get down to your reading. Towards the final days of December 2021, stepping into January 2022, we have the Nine of Cups. I think you were someone who was grabbing the opportunities. Possibly, there were some gains there for you. Maybe technically you were feeling a bit challenged, or maybe there was issues with respect to the work environment. Sometimes, we get interrupted when we are doing work, and this could leave us hassled and perturbed. Nevertheless, I think Sagittarians, you were quite dedicated and focused. Maybe your quick thinking had also helped you make gains. Paperwork or technical work had kept you overcome, or the challenges that the new year is going to pose for you is the High Priestess. I think communication is going to increase. Possibly you will be overworked as well. I think this is the year when you are going to be up and about. It's going to be an active year for you. You may also find that everybody expects you to come to their aid or to help them out, but they fail to acknowledge you. Maybe you should leave it at that, Sagittarians, because the universe always rewards us abundantly. Maybe there could also be interviews lined up, so you need to be a bit patient. Maybe Sagittarians, you should also take everything with a pinch of salt. Sometimes, we get work offers, but then you are expected to do more than what you are paid. Maybe you may feel that the remuneration is not up to the standards, or that you are being paid peanuts and you are overworked. I think your intuition is also going to assist you, so pay attention to your intuition. Influences for this year, we have the Death card. Change is quite likely. Maybe you could be distancing yourself from certain people or from certain issues. I think this change is very essential for your soul's progression. Maybe you shouldn't resist the change, because once we resist the change, then it creates more obstacles on our path, and it makes it very difficult for us to move ahead or to advance. There's also going to be a sense of urgency in your step. I think you want to carry on with the task very quickly. Maybe Sagittarians, you should also settle for less. Sometimes, we don't get what we desire, but then something is better than nothing. As a leader of the pack, I think appreciation is going to be there for you. I think your workers or your juniors are going to be quite grateful, because you give them the freedom to carry on the task the way they desire. However, Sagittarians, there are always going to be some people who are going to be cribbing about the situation, or they are going to backbite and bicker. Maybe you should also be on the guard, because there are going to be rivals who are jealous of your achievements. Perhaps your competence is affecting them. That is why they are overreacting. The first 4 months of the year, that is January, February, March, April, we have the Ace of Wands here. This is the energy which craves newness. You want to move ahead. I think you will also get the support to get ahead from your trusted aides or your loved ones. I think technical issues or paperwork is going to increase. So this means also that you may overlook certain details. Ideally, I think Sagittarians, you should read between the lines. You should also understand the fine print before you go and sign a contract. I think you should also sign the contract before you offer your services, so that this will give you the advantage that no one will take you for a ride this year. Compliments or gifts are also quite likely in the first 4 months. At times, Sagittarians, you may also feel that your views are being disregarded. Maybe you do not like it that the management is favorably disposed towards someone whom you see as a threat. The next 4 months of the year, that is May, June, July, August, we have the Hierophant. So this is talking about you getting the insight. Possibly, you will get visions and dreams, or you will also understand that issues that you're encountering in this life are all related to the past life. Or these months are going to give you the chance to balance your karma. Maybe this insight is going to overwhelm you, but then it is also necessary for your soul to evolve. At times, Sagittarians, because of the workload, you could also be sleep deprived. So cover up on your sleep, or you could be quite restless and agitated. Certainly, this is also the time when you need to promote your talents. Maybe your family members could suggest a work idea. You need to sidestep issues very gently. We did clarify the Hierophant, and we do have the Page of Wands here. Like I said, you could be quite restless and creative. You will definitely unearth the real purpose of your life. Maybe you're also impatient with others. Really, I think Sagittarians, in these months, you need to be more cooperative. You're feeling that you need to surrender to whatever others desire. The last 4 months of the year, that is September, October, November, December, we have the Six of Pentacles. Possibly, expenses could mount at this time. So you need to be careful how we put money into use. Maybe you are also somebody who has to cough up fines. Other than that, I'm also picking up that money could be spent on buying gadgets. Sometimes, you're also going to be affected on account of the limitations that are imposed upon you by your family members. And at work, I think Sagittarians, you should pull up your socks. Maybe your boss feels that you're not competent enough, or that you're quite lax and distracted. In these months, you will also be a bit dejected because your creative idea could find no takers. I think you need to be more professional in your attitude. Even if you get an extension at work, I think it's a warning that you need to get better at work. Sagittarians, I'm also picking up that you could also be kindly disposed towards a family member or somebody who needs money or assistance from you. I think the goodwill that you earn is also going to help you in life ahead. Other than that, in legal matters, I think there can be positive developments. Maybe you're also somebody who's misplacing documents, but be rest assured that you could find them. With respect to your love life, Sagittarius, I have this card, please stay. Possibly, you're dealing with someone, or maybe even you are thinking about someone whom you have a corner for. You want this person to be a part and parcel of your life. Singles will definitely find your loved ones playing Cupid. Maybe they're going to scout matrimonial sites or dating sites. But you should also be careful, Sagittarians, because there are lecherous members of the opposite sex. It's also quite likely that someone is madly in love with you, but then you may distance yourself from such a relationship. Maybe you think that this relationship has no future, but this person definitely wants you to be a part of his life. Maybe the issue of marriage could also come up because we have the Hierophant here. In case yours is a secret romance, I think you'll be very careful. You don't want family elders to get a whiff of it, but then someone could talk about your love life, and this could make you a bit annoyed. Maybe you want to take revenge from this person. Nevertheless, romancing Sagittarians, I think your person and you should be more demonstrative. Sometimes, lack of communication could result in awkwardness in the relationship. Maybe some of you also want to make that trip, or you're going to plan that holiday to be together, to spend some quiet moments together in each other's company. Sagittarians, this year you'll also be concerned about your spouse's financial condition. Maybe you believe that the decisions that he is making with respect to work are not going to amount to anything. Money is also going to be spent on medical bills. That is why there could be differences with your person about the same. Incidentally, we also have this card, toxic relationship. So Sagittarians, I think you need to move away from a relationship which is not doing you any good, or where this person is being disrespectful. It's an unhealthy relationship because it could leave you damaged and hurt. I think you need to free yourself, as this toxicity could harm you. You need to just break free from this connection. You need to snap out of it. Sometimes, toxic relationship also leaves us emotionally drained, and it's quite unhealthy because the wounds take time to heal. This year, Sagittarians, you need to be patient with your loved ones, whether it's your child or whether it's your partner. From the Native Spirit Oracle deck, we have this card, Trickster. Maybe there's somebody who is like a trickster, who's not being honest or who is deceptive. I think you need to look beneath the surface, delve deeper. One is quite wily here, maybe at the workplace or within the home front. So you should be careful whom you're interacting with. Moment, we have this card, Home. I think the home talks about security, your family, domestic affairs, or even real estate. Maybe some of you also wanting to invest in real estate, or you want to do up your home. Definitely home is where the heart is. Maybe some of you are also working from home, or you're focusing on the family business. You could be a stay-at-home parent as well. Possibly Sagittarians, you could also be the caregiver this year. Another message that has come up in your reading is abandon. At times, you may feel forsaken. You may be feeling as though you have been left to heal your own wounds. You do want the support, but you may feel all by yourself. Maybe Sagittarians, you should connect with those whom you care about. Maybe they can be your support system. Archangel Raphael is also asking you to stay hydrated, drink more water. It will cleanse your system. Sometimes, excess water could also be an issue. Keep yourself away from very warm conditions. Maybe the hot weather is also going to affect you where your health is concerned. All in all, Sagittarians, this is a year which is going to bring in life-changing experiences for you. You have to accept this change if you want to advance. Other than that, Sagittarians, you should also be careful with money. I hope, Sagittarians, you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.